So there are also times where you may be asked to convert more than once. So when we take a look at our question here, so we're wondering how many patio stones are needed for a walkway that is 8 meters long. And we're given each stone in inches. And then if we take a look at our conversion chart, we don't have something that goes from inches to meters, right? But we do have something that goes from inches to centimeters, and then we can convert centimeters to meters. So what I would recommend doing is writing it down. We're gonna go from, right, because we can't go from, here, let me grab a different color. We can't go from inches right to meters, right? It just doesn't happen. Not on our conversion chart. So if we take a look, we can do, first things first, inches, number 1, inches to centimeters. And then number 2 would be from centimeters to meters. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is do our inches to centimeters. That one does not work. So I'm going to write, we have 24 inches, so I'm going to write 24 inches, right? And then our times. And then I'm going to do, okay, so I'm converting to centimeters, right? So I'm converting to centimeters, so I put centimeters on top. And I put inches on the bottom because these have to be similar, right? They have to be the same. So if I take a look at my conversion chart, it says that for every 1 inch, there is 2.54 centimeters. So I'm gonna put 2.54 centimeters. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that in my calculator. So if I take 24 times, put this in brackets, 2.54 divided by 1, and I get 60.96. So I'm gonna write 60.96, because the inches crossed out, I have centimeters left over. Okay, so we've now done from inches to centimeters. We've done our first step. And then so our second step is to do centimeters to meters. Okay, so when I take a look, I'm gonna put, okay, so I'm gonna start with 60.96 centimeters. Perfect. And I'm going to go from centimeters, so I put centimeters on the bottom, right, because these two have to match up, to meters. And then I look at my conversion chart, and I can see that for every 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. So I'm going to put this in my calculator just like that. So 60, I'm getting my numbers mixed up today. 0.96 times, and then I put this in brackets, 1 divided by 100, bracket. And then I hit equal sign, and I round it, so I get 0.61 meters. Okay, so I now have what my patio stones are in meters. So I need to now figure out how many of these are gonna fit in 8 meters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 8 meters and divide it by my each patio stone. And then we're gonna get, so if I put that here, so I'm gonna divide 8 divided by 0.61, and I get 13.1 patio stones. 0.1 patio stones, and because you can't have 0.1 of a patio stone, you round up. So I would say you need 14 patio stones. Okay, so sometimes, like I said, you need to convert more than once to get your answer. So double check what your conversions are, and you may need to do it twice.